QMet 300 Strip Alloy, the material solution for high-current applications. From consumer electronics to electric vehicles, QMet 300 Alloy offers a unique property combination that enhances current technologies and makes new ones possible. QMet 300 Strip Alloy offers the material properties you need, whether your biggest materials priority is high strength, high conductivity, improved formability, or stress relaxation resistance. We developed this new alloy using copper, chromium, and silver to enable previously unachievable designs by providing superior performance benefits. Engineered to excel in high current and high heat transfer applications, QMet 300 Alloy offers a solution for automotive wire harness terminals, EV charging connectors, computer power contacts, consumer electronics, and more. Because of its unique property set, QMet 300 Alloy is 100% more conductive than alloys of similar strength, and 14% stronger than alloys with similar conductivity and formability. It also provides good stress relaxation resistance and sharp formability, a combination that enables design engineers to create high current and high heat transfer components for smaller spaces. Our team can also accommodate small batch orders and shorter lead times, which means quicker access to these critical materials. As companies push technologies to new size and performance limits, our team offers a solution backed by the engineering and metallurgical expertise to help you optimize your designs. Work with Materion to solve your next materials challenge. The materials you choose really do make a difference. Call or visit materion.com/QMet.